NYPOT Portable Resistance Bands, Home Gym Workout Kit, Fitness Equipment Set for Resistance Bands, Full Body Training Kit, Weightlifting and Exercise Kit for men and women. Portable Fitness Equipment, NYPOT Compact Home Gym System, a perfect upper body exercise equipment comes with all you need in a compact bag that can be taken anywhere. Workout at home, workspace or outdoors. Full body workout, our home fitness equipment is of all-in-one gym. With a fitness bar and 4 resistance bands, exercise every group of muscles. Build strength and tone your body without going to the gym or use all the traditional bulky home gym's weightlifting equipment. Premium quality design, using a resistance band bar attachment system, the Weve bundle gives you a comfortable and steady usage during your session. Made from aircraft aluminum, with double latex resistance bands. Lightweight, sturdy equipment, handling over 400 pounds of resistance training, gives you the confidence to use it safely. Home Gym Bundle, the workout bow is known in the exercise and fitness home gyms to be a high-performance device due to its versatility. At 2 clicks away, you will start your workout in a matter of seconds. Perfect gift, used as they open the box with their new home portable gym equipment. A workout equipment home gym perfect for yoga, highlights, stretching exercises, fitness, make the life of your loved ones happier, getting the energy they need in an everyday 25 minutes workout plan. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.